Want to permanently delete Snapchat account? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down and here under the option of my account, you will find delete account option. Tap on that. Now you will be prompted to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your email address or username, then enter your password. Once you have been logged in, you will be brought to this page. Now you will have to enter your username over here, then you will have to enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Now tap on the continue option. One thing you need to know is once you have tapped on the continue option, your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. If you want to permanently delete your Snapchat account, then you will have to wait for 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, you want to log into Snapchat. So if you do not log into Snapchat for 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.